Never buy mustard again! Mustard is one of my favorite condiments. I like to have all kinds of mustard in the house. Yellow, Dijon, and of course spicy brown. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own mustard at home. It's so easy, delicious, and best of all, it's cheap. A few simple ingredients and you've got a deli-style mustard that'll rival anything that you can buy at the store. I've got 3 types of mustard seeds here. Yellow, brown, and black. Black is the spiciest. It's what's used to make that spicy mustard you might find in a Chinese restaurant. We're going to use all 3 in this recipe. Essentially 2 parts yellow and brown and 1 part black. You can alternate these in different amounts depending on the spice level, but I found that this mixture makes a decent level of spice. All you need is a coffee grinder, some mustard seeds of course, cold water, and some kind of acid. Get all your mustard seed into the grinder and grind away. You can do a coarse grind also if you like that stone ground type of mustard. I usually leave some coarse grinds in there, but I like it to be mostly smooth. Add it to your favorite mixing bowl and add the cold water. The colder, the better. I used ice water. I'm not entirely certain about the chemistry here, but I do know that the cold water triggers the chemical reaction that occurs when you break open the mustard seed. Whisk this all together, and once you've got it to a mustard-like consistency, let it sit for about 10 minutes. The longer you let this sit, the hotter it will be. Once that 10 minutes is up, add some vinegar, and that will arrest the chemical reaction. This locks in the heat level. I like to use white balsamic vinegar, but you can use lemon juice, you can use pickle brine, you can use whatever you like. It's your choice. I also like to add a couple extra ingredients for flavor, such as salt, turmeric, and dill. The dill lends a nice flavor, and the turmeric adds flavor and color too. The salt too, of course, but it also acts as a preservative. The chemical nature of the mustard, combined with the salt and the acidity of the vinegar, makes for an excellent preservative. I don't think there's a bacterium on this planet that could find refuge here. Put it all in a mason jar and let it chill in the fridge overnight. That's it! Spread it on your favorite sandwich, or hot dog, or whatever. Eater's choice. I want to thank everyone for watching. If you found this video entertaining and valuable, please subscribe so you can see more. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.